In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error E4 and paper jam in your HP DeskJet 2955 all-in-one printer. So we can clearly see there is a E4 error on the screen, that is with the flashing orange light. To fix it, look at the printer and we can see there is a page that is stuck here. So if we want, we can just try to pull it out from here, or if you don't see the paper, press it down and look inside. Inside the printer we can see the paper is stuck. We can also take it out from here in case the paper is accessible from this side. So right now we will take it from the front section, just to make sure everything is clean inside. There should not be any part left inside. Close this section and then click on the cancel button on the control panel. This should fix the paper jam in this printer. Thanks for watching.